everybody. It's Kate, aka Only the Good Die Young, and Rebecca. Moments of courage. So Rebecca wants to make a video, but I guess she didn't want to make one herself. Or do you not have a webcam? Okay, never mind. She doesn't have a webcam. So we're making a video together, but since we didn't ask anybody for questions, we just got questions off Google. Because that's the way we roll. Oh, I forgot to put my poster back up. Okay. So we have the trusty hat. We're gonna draw out the Google questions, and then we'll answer them. And Patrick's not here today. Sorry. He's doing other things at home. Whatever. Why did you fold it so many times? I fold the other ones in half.
Honey Badger don't care. Ever.
Oh god. Okay. Do you recharge yourself by being around other people, or do you need time alone? Ooh, my stomach's starting to answer you.
The sound of our people.
Sound of our people. Dying whale noises. I need time alone. Like, I need time to sit by myself and reflect on my life. That's how I recharge.
That was deep.
Thanks, I'll try.
Oh. I guess I need to be alone. By my lonesome.
Yeah.
Never alone. Too many people. They're gonna eat me.
Now you got a glimpse into Rebecca's home life. Alright. Oh, Lord. Oh, well, good God. Okay. What are 2 things that drive you crazy that people around you might do? I'm gonna let Rebecca answer this one first.
I'm just gonna go on 10-minute rant.
Yeah, I probably will. Let's be real.
I think people who walk slow in the hallways, that irritates me to no end. I'm just stuck behind them, and I'm like, what are you doing? I don't understand what you're doing. You're standing there, like, stop making out with whatever that is right in the locker. Like, what are you doing by the locker? This is so annoying. Like, I need to see you. The whole world doesn't need to see you. Just move along. I don't need any of that ever. Thank you. Goodbye. I don't know. Something like, I don't know.
My hair is going cray. Okay. You need to pick another thing. I'm sure there are other things people do that bug you.
When people rush me.
That would be me all the time.
I don't know.
Oh, I have a glare in my glasses. Okay, everything annoys me, basically. So, I have to say, though, one of the worst is when people stop in the hallway. But I'm not, like, passive at all, so, like, when I walk past them, I'm just like, group meeting in the hallway, good idea! Or, like, and I scream it, too. I don't, like, say it under my breath, I yell it at them. And I have almost gotten into fights with people over being sarcastic while I'm walking past them in the hallway. Yeah. And what's another... I don't know, there's so many things that bother me, it's hard to pick just 2. Oh, I really hope this doesn't end up being like the 10 guys that I find attractive other than One Direction. Okay, what's another thing that bothers me? Just one more thing. That bothers me. Just one more. I'm blanking.
When people smoke in the bathrooms.
That doesn't even bug me, I don't care. Hurt themselves, now hurt me.
Yeah. That's true.
I don't know.
This is turning to the 10 guy.
What?
The 10 guy thing where you're
oh my god. Yeah. No, that was 5 minutes long.
My alarm clock doesn't go off. That's annoying.
That has never happened to me.
No, it's like the alarm clock demons came into my room and were like, off.
Oh my god.
Oh, when people match pink and red?
No! Okay, no, when people wear pink and red together, I think that's nasty. Oh my god, it's just... It clashes, people. Don't do it.
I'm sorry.
Rebecca did this, like, was it last week, I think? And Diane and I, like, jumped on her. We're like, what are you doing? Look at your life. Look at your choices.
I didn't know.
What are you doing? Okay.
But I have a pink bow now. So
yeah, so now she can match because she got a pink bow. So she has to wear, because she was wearing a red bow and a pink shirt, and Diana and I were like, excuse me, no. There you go. What is something you are most proud of?
I'm most proud of you, Kate.
You know it. Okay. Seriously though.
It's true.
She's most proud of me. Okay. I don't know. A couple of things. I'm most proud that I don't have to study that hard to do well in school. Especially this year, because I'm taking really easy classes. Like French 1 academic with the freshmen. And I'm really proud of Trouble. And it's the featured story of the week, so you can go check that out. Self-publicity. Okay. And I'm proud of Rebecca for existing.
Yay!
Okay. And I really hate that you folded these this many times.
I did just beat my potato.
Would you rather go on vacation to Paris and tour the city, or would you rather go to a tropical location and just do nothing?
I'd go to Paris because it would be 1, awesome, 2, awesome, 3, I'm not going to say awesome, but it would just be a lot of fun. I mean, like, at tropical islands, like, I'm like one of those people who are just like, I don't mind doing nothing, but you're like, I don't know, like the island is.
I hope the camera picked that up. That was a good one. That's a nice little growl. It was like
the sound of my people.
The sound of my people. Oh my god. Are you gonna finish what you're saying?
I don't remember.
You said it was gonna be fun.
Yeah, because I feel like tropical islands entail water, and then like you go into the water, and then you get like then like sharks are gonna be like, I'm a shark, and then they're gonna go and be like,
and now we know why Rebecca hasn't made a video. Okay. I'm the opposite actually. Sorry,
yeah,
my cat scratched me, and I just scraped it with my ring. I like doing nothing on vacation. I like sitting around and doing nothing. And it's going to be awesome because when my father takes me to Mexico, I'm going to be sitting on the beach or by the pool all day doing absolutely nothing. And it's going to be brilliant! Oh, and speaking Spanish. Okay. So, yeah, I'm the opposite. And I also don't want to go to France.
I think it'd be fun.
I don't like the sound of the language. Even though I take French 1 academic, I just don't like the sound of the language. I don't have anything against French people or anything.
I don't like the sound of it. I guess like I think more for like the historic part of it. I thought it was fun.
Rebecca likes history.
So?
Oh, another one. Okay. Okay. What makes you feel more loved, when someone spends time with you or when someone gives you a compliment?
I like spending time with you, Kate.
What child?
I don't know. Though
I think it depends on the day. Sometimes I want to spend time with people, and then other times I'm just like, you can just give me a compliment. I'll be okay. I don't know. Sometimes I'm compliment hungry, maybe. But yeah. So it depends. We still have 50 seconds left with no more questions.
Do something.
Do what?
I don't know. Something.
I'll just stare at you for the remaining 40 seconds. Not you, the camera. Okay. No, that's really awkward. So if you guys want Patrick to be in more videos, you should definitely give me more questions. Or if you do more questions while Rebecca's still here, maybe we'll make another video together.
Yay!
Because Rebecca really wanted to make videos. But I don't know how many of you are home, because I know on the West Coast it's only noon right now. But, yeah.
Sing a song.
I'm not singing a song. I think you guys value your eardrums. So, alright. Any last words?
No.
Okay. Bye.